It's Will here from Nomad Fleet, one of the co-founders. What Nomad Fleet is we're operations software for contractors to simplify their paperwork and the adjacent workflows around that paperwork. Today, we're going to take you through our health and safety feature and also our financial capturing feature. What that includes is like all of your health and safety forms, whether it be your site inspections, inductions, that sort of stuff. And in terms of financial capturing, we got timesheets, dayworks, dockets, and the like. In other videos, we've covered fleet management, which includes your pre-starts and the like, but we're really forming a one-stop shop here for contractors, which is great. And that's come about from over 350 conversations with contractors. We're forming that level under their business software for health and safety, fleet management, financial, as we said before. Basically, to cut out a lot of admin time, help engineers focus on what they're paid to do, same as supervisors, operators, and the like, through powerful automation. So let's dive in. Basically, our system has two key areas. The first key area is our web-based app here. And in our web-based app, you can access forms, right? And in forms, there's three steps. Firstly, you can access our already off-the-shelf templates or build your own forms and get them ready for the guys in the site to use. So let's use an example here. We've got all our forms that we just discussed before, but we'll use a site diary form. In our site diary form here, we can basically see all the submissions on a project level. You can see all the different projects that we're on, and you can also access this on a project level too. Like you could see the specific forms under a project, but we're just looking at forms here. So basically what we do is we can click on a form and we can edit that form. And this is fully customizable. So if we come to edit, we can then see basically here all the headings and all the different tools on the site. We can then use this drag and drop form builder to seamlessly like put in fields that you want and build lists and choice forms that you want. You can then preview these basically from the app before then you distribute it out to your site. Now that we've got a form set up, we can now share that to our site team. So we navigate back to forms and we hit share. We then send that by SMS to the person or put in their mobile number, and that pulls up our app. Now that that's been shared to the field worker, you can access any form that has been created for the company there, whether that's a site diary, timesheet, or daily docket. The field user can now seamlessly select an option. For example, let's go back to site diary. You can then select site diary and see the submissions that you've previously done or what's in progress. Let's say that we want to clone the submission from the day before. We can click on the submission from the day before and hit clone form. That's now created a new form for us in the submission section that we can now just make some minor edits before we submit it. So let's go through it now. And we've made, let's say that a few workers finished a bit earlier. So we'll change their finish times. And let's say today we did a different activity on site. So let's go ABC, DF. We'll basically put in a new activity there. We can now go and hit submit, and that will then submit us back to the submission screen, and we've completed a form. It's as easy as that, right, for the field workers. You can repeat with any type of form. Now, coming back to the web app interface, this is the power of real-time data. We can access the site diary section form, and we can see the submission right there now. We can view it, and we can print it as a PDF, or we can now export that data into the different processes, whether you're doing job costing or something like that. This is a great process for like timesheets, dayworks dockets, or even just real-time HSEQ reports. You can just track everything in one place. Ultimately, that's how our system works with the new HSEQ and financial capture. If you guys have any more questions, we have specific workflows, notifications, etc. that you want to dive into. We'd love to show you, but yeah, reach out. Thanks.